What's up, everybody? I'm just back with a little bit more LED shenanigans. So I got my video center card in. It's a nightmare to configure. You've got to go through this app here. It has this little intelligent setup button, which I could not get to work for the life of me. You can download these RCG files from manufacturers. Also had a ton of problems with that. Finally got it working, and I'll kind of run through what's going on here. So this card can optionally be put into a PCI slot. Right now it has some tape over it, and it is being powered off 5 volts. Has a little USB host on there that USBs it to the computer. Also have an HDMI to DVI converter. So serial data just for configuring the card. Always need video data. And then if I wanted to, I can put this inside of a computer and I guess just loop the computer video signal over to it. Double network ports that go to a receiver card on the back of the screen. So each one of those, it can power a single row. You see how that's chained, and it has another port open. I can just keep going on down for as many pixels as the sender card will support. And right now it's just showing a test image on there. What is going on here, where I was having problems, this application, LED Studio, will fire up this picture, top corner, and it fires up and the display is duplicated. So LED screen running HDMI at like some stupid 640 by 480 resolution, trying to duplicate this much higher resolution, and then I guess it was having some refresh problems and manifesting itself as the display just not looking right at all. Like I said, I ran through a couple hundred configuration files with no luck until I figured out if I were to, instead of duplicating the display, actually extend the display. I drag this over off to the side, and now we are seeing that down there. So if I just take my mouse on that same computer, drag it off to the side, there we are seeing the output of the computer through HDMI. So at this point, the screen is configured until I decide I want to add more pixels or change any of the scan rate and clock signals. You can go ahead and pop out the USB cable. Boom. And at this point, I can just control the display with any HDMI signal. Any other laptop that, in this case, I've been using my daughter's for about a week. I'm sure she's ready to get it back. So I can use my laptop, I can use a video player, I could use Raspberry Pi. Pretty excited about that. And the quality is really good. It's handling all of the conversion of the image to pixels, so I don't have to worry about any slowdowns in the scanning or anything like that. If I do use a Raspberry Pi, it will then be to generate video and images and not to actually scan all of the rows of the display. So I should not really see any ghosting or any artifacts. Should just be nice high quality pixels. Looking forward to finding a good player for it and some good low res artwork. Gonna get up in there, check it out. Big chunky pixels. And then the further out you get from it, and the nicer it looks. This is about my head height, so it's about 5-6 feet away. And this right now, this is a 2-foot square panel, so this is 2 of my LED modules across. See if I can pull one of those out. There's a single panel, just for reference. 2 of those across and 4 of those up. Got 4 more panels. Might as well just go ahead and tack those on and make a rectangle screen. Although I am thinking about instead making 2 square screens of the same size. And then I can chain those together with one Ethernet between two of the receiver cards on the back. So on the back of here, one more Ethernet port that I can just daisy chain over to another display. And then I would have a 2-foot by 4-foot display. Awesome. Thanks for checking it out, guys. If you have not yet, please subscribe to the channel and drop us some comments if you like this stuff. Peace.